Ever wonder why plants explode with growth in the wild but struggle inside your home? The secret is simple. Nature gives them exactly what they need. Let them climb. In nature, plants like pothos and monstera don't trail, they climb trees toward the light. Add a moss pole, trellis, or cocoa stick indoors and you'll see faster, stronger growth. Give them a breeze. Outdoors, plants constantly sway in the wind, which strengthens their stems. Indoors, use a small fan on low to simulate a gentle breeze. It's like natural exercise for your plants. Drench, then dry. Rainstorms soak plants, but the soil drains fast afterward. Water deeply, then wait until the top inches dry out. This prevents root rot and builds stronger root systems. Boost humidity. Most tropical plants thrive in humid jungles. Mimic it by grouping plants together using pebble trays or setting up a small humidifier. Your plants will thank you with bigger, shinier leaves. Feed like nature does. In nature, nutrients fall constantly from decaying leaves and rain. Indoors, fertilize lightly but regularly during the growing season. Think gentle and consistent, not heavy all at once. Layer the soil. Wild soil isn't uniform. It has layers. Mimic this by adding drainage material like orchid bark, perlite, or charcoal to your potting mix. Start thinking like nature and your plants will thank you with jungle vibes.